Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 8 best self-defense gadgets on Amazon in 2021. When you hear women talking about fighting back against the slow but steady rise of violent sexual assault and robbery, the first statement you usually hear is "I'm going to go buy a gun." The only sure way to protect yourself at all times, up close and in hand-to-hand physical combat, is to weaponize the items in your purse or pocket. It's easier than ever to conceal non-lethal self-defense weapons that aren't detected until you're already striking. So, in this video we are going to discuss list of top 8 best self-defense gadgets. We make this list based on our personal opinion and average research. For further information you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
So this is our Taser Strike Light. One thing to keep in mind is the Strike Light is a pain-only device. So it's contact stun only, it will not cause NMI or neuromuscular incapacitation. For the arc feature to work on the Strike Light does have to be on, so the flashlight does have to be on. You can turn the flashlight on by moving the gray button into the on position. So when the flashlight is on, you can push the stun or arc button. You'll see the device arc. You can turn the device off, the gray button in the down position. Once that's on, it's a safety for the device, so the arc button will no longer function. We use the Strike Light mainly as a deterrent, so to stop the attack before it even happens. But again, if you do have to use it, it is stun-only pain compliance. It will not cause NMI or neuromuscular incapacitation. The battery on the Strike Light is a rechargeable battery. It can be plugged into the wall in the charging port here above the stun or arc button.
Don't take chances when you're out and about. Introducing a new product from Sabre, the Key Case Pepper Spray and Keychain Personal Alarm Safety Kit. Now you can protect yourself at a safe distance while letting others know you're in trouble. This product packs the same industry-leading heat used by police departments worldwide, and is backed by our in-house high-performance liquid chromatography lab in order to ensure maximum strength in every canister. Every pepper spray has a 4-year shelf life. That's double the industry average, and up to 5 times more spray than other brands, providing protection against multiple threats at once if need be. Sabre's best-selling pepper spray includes a finger grip, giving the user enhanced control. The Sabre Personal Alarm with Keyring amplifies your call for help, emitting a piercing 120 decibel siren, audible up to 600 feet away when you pull the metal chain from its plastic base. Protect yourself and your loved ones with the Key Case Pepper Spray and Keychain Personal Alarm Safety Kit.
Introducing the Atomic Bear line of everyday carry tactical pins. Featuring an easily assembled multi-tool to take on everyday tasks. Built for preparedness and tailored to fit the needs of the individual. Tactical pin that gives your riding a smooth finish. The MTP6 pin, a high utility concept with a dual mode flashlight. A collection of high functioning, utility driven defensive riding tools. The SWAT pin, an anti-slip grip ball point that slides into a practical heavy-duty nylon belt sheath. The Rebel pin, a sleek tactical riding instrument with a below-the-radar design. Practical elegance constructed from unbreakable military aircraft-grade aluminum. Each pin comes equipped with a defensive glass-breaking tungsten tip on the business end, which can be quickly deployed in a reverse grip position for maximum striking power. All of these pins are machined for perfect weight and balance and textured to provide a perfect feel. Built to take a beating and give it back in spades. The Atomic Bear Everyday Carry Tactical Pins. They're not just pins, there's something more.
This is the GDC Money Clip. It holds your cash, up to 5 cards, and a 1.75-inch fine edge stainless steel blade. At just 3.6 total inches, the Money Clip fits easily into your pocket. When you need the blade, just grab the ring, release the lock, and pull. The thumb notch ensures a solid hold that won't budge. After you're done, the blade snaps back into the super sturdy steel sheath shielded by a G10 composite plate. This is function, utility, and style in your pocket. This is the GDC Money Clip.
Introducing the Guard Dog AccuFire, the first keychain pepper spray with laser sight. With a patented design, the spray gets full exposure compared to other flawed designs that cause leakage. Precise protection when you need it most. The AccuFire is equipped with a built-in laser to give you the aim you need in high-stress situations. When you need pepper spray most, your target may be missed. Bridge the gap between uncertainty and confidence. Conveniently sized, the AccuFire goes where you go. Be prepared, be empowered with the revolutionary Guard Dog AccuFire Pepper Spray, available at retailers worldwide.
Hi everybody, this is Dave. We're introducing the Fast Strike window breaker today. We took the same grade handle that we had before and added a hardened steel shaft to allow easy window breaking. That easy. Use the back of the handle to bust out the rest of it, and you're good to go. Just like that.